Hey, can you do a squirrel? What about a pigeon? You do a lion? A rooster? A snake? What about a cricket? A chick? What about a jet? Can you do an owl? What about a train? Can you do a cat? That's all. Say cheese.
Cheese.